Hello student, this is video 4 of chapter 3, that is function in Python. In this video you will learn about default argument.
See here, what is default argument? First thing, at the time of the declaration of the functions, when we are passing parameters, if that time, if that time only we are giving values to the parameter, okay, then we called it that as default argument. Okay, in Python, we can define a function with default parameter values. This default value will be used when a function is invoked without any argument. Okay. Second is, to specify a default value for the parameters, just specify the value using the assignment operator followed by the parameter name. Okay. See the example. Here I have declared one function. Name of the function is calculate area. Two parameters I have passed here, length and width. Here I have giving the value of length is 2 and the value of the width is 3. That is the default value we are giving here. See the calling part of the function. 4 times I have called this function. First time without any actual argument, second time with two actual argument, third time with two actual argument with the variable name, fourth time with one actual argument with the variable name. When we are calling first time without actual argument, then what happened here? Whatever default argument is there, on the behalf of that only your program will be executed. What it means, the value of length will be 2 and the value of width will be 3. First time calling of the function. Okay. Second time your length will be 4 and your width will be 6. Why? Because the priority of the actual argument is more as comparison to formal argument. Then 2 is replaced by 4. Okay, and 3 is also replaced by 6. Length will be 4 and width will be 6. This is second time of the calling of the function. When we are calling the third time, here width we are giving the variable name also. Here width is 3, here width is 100, and the priority of actual argument is more, then the width will be 100 and the length will be 23. Okay, now next, at the calling of fourth time, last, here length is equals to 12, that will be replaced. Okay, means here length will be 12 because it is actual argument and the priority is more, and width is not giving here at the time of actual, at the time of calling of the function, then width will be 3, whatever default is there. Okay, and now see the implementation. See here, I have written this code. Okay, values I am giving here, then after first time without any argument, second time with two actual argument, third time also with two actual argument with values with variable name, fourth time only one actual argument. See the output, the same output will be there. Okay, one more thing is there. Suppose we are giving one more variable here, height is equals to 4 into h. height will be equals whatever height is there, value of h. Now see, first time height, default height, second time I have given the value of h is 6 at the time of actual, third time we are not giving height, fourth time also we are not giving height, then default argument it is taking. Okay, when actual we are giving, then actual taking, when actual we are not giving, then it will take default value. Okay, so today in this video we have discussed about default argument that you have to revise. The next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.